How to change app notification sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. This includes managing banner styles, sounds, badge app icons, and grouping notifications by app or thread. Users can also prioritize notifications through focus modes and VIP lists for emails. On this page, scroll down to find the Mail app and tap on it. You can manage the Mail notification settings from here. Go to Sounds. You can view all the available sounds over here and then select the one you like. Following these steps, you can easily change app notification sound on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.